What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching it's a tech tutorial. So guys, right now I am using Ubuntu Linux 24.04 and here is my system details. Now in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Steam on your Ubuntu Linux and enjoy games from the Steam directly on your Linux operating system. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up any of your browser, then search on Google Steam download. Then go to this download link and it will take you to this Steam download option. Click on install Steam and it should start downloading a Debian file. Open the folder and here you can see the Debian file of Steam. So right click on your downloads folder and open in terminal. Then type your ls and here you will see the Debian package of Steam. Now to install the Steam using the Debian package, type this command sudo apt install / the Steam file name. Then press enter, then type your root password, then press enter. Then Y and press enter. Now it should automatically download everything and install the Steam on your Ubuntu Linux operating system. Now click on show apps and search for Steam. And here you will see the Steam icon. Click on it to open it. If it opens this terminal, press enter, type your root password, then press enter again. Now again press enter, then Y and enter. And after that it's going to download some requirement dependencies and package to run the Steam on your Ubuntu Linux. Again press enter to continue. And now it will launch the Steam on your Ubuntu Linux machine. And here you can see the Steam login page. Now here you need to log in with your user account. Let me log in with mine. And guys, here you can see Steam application has been launching on our Ubuntu Linux operating system. And guys, here you can see the Steam application has been successfully installed on your Ubuntu Linux machine. So guys, that's how you can install the Steam application on any Debian based Linux operating system. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.